Hello everyone, welcome to Pharmizer. I post videos on pharmacy related subjects explained in a very simple and easy way. If you find my video useful for your studies, don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. So today I'll discuss on M Health and adherence system, which is a part of computer application in pharmacy, where I'll discuss about the introduction part, definition and its application. So talking about M Health or mobile health adherence system. So here are some basic definitions. First of all, what is adherence? Adherence means, in medical term, what is the meaning of adherence? Adherence means to stick. In general, adherence means sticking to something, or sticking property is known as adherence. So talking about medical adherence, so it means sticking to your medical routine or medical schedule. That is, your medicine schedule should be followed properly. So thus adherence means, that is, medical adherence means that the extent to which a patient follows his medication schedule. If you are following your medication, if you are taking some medicine, you are a patient, and if you are taking proper medications according to your schedule, means you are following your medication schedule, then it means it can be said that you are following your medical schedule. That is, you are adherence with your medication schedule. So adherence terms means sticking to your medication schedule. Now talking about the M Health. So M Health means what? M Health means, which is also known as mobile health, means, mobile device means which you can carry anywhere. So mobile health means when by using any mobile devices, a, a pharmacist or a physician or his assistant is taking proper care of any patient through mobile devices. That means, or if any patient is getting medical treatment or any cure or care system, medication care system, through mobile devices, then that type of care, medication care, is known as M Health or mobile health, because here you are using mobile devices to get health supports or medical services. So M Health generally combines with E Health. Means E Health means electronic health system, means when you are using various electronic devices for taking for providing mobile health services, for providing health services. If you are using any electrical devices to provide health services, or as a patient, if you are taking health or medication services through any electronic devices, then that is E Health. And M Health is connected with E Health. That is, M Health is one of the advanced part of E Health. E means any electronic device. If you are using computer, desktop, fax system, telephonic system, then these all comes under E Health. Okay. Now if we talk about M Health, if you are using any electronic device which you can carry from here to there, like any, for example, any sugar calculating, a glucometer, okay, sugar calculating or sugar measuring device, glucometer. Or if you are just carrying your mobile phone, and with mobile phone you can handle your patient's data, or as a patient, if you are getting any health services from your mobile devices, you can contact with any healthcare service center number for any type of emergency requirements and anything, healthcare requirements. Then all this e-health system converts into mobile health. Thus mobile health comes from e-health system. So where, which is already written here, where you use mobile devices or communication satellites for health services and informations. Now a brief introduction about this M Health system. Adherence to long term therapy is generally difficult for outpatients. Means when you are admitted in a hospital, you are under observation, okay, the nurse or warden, the ward member, or sorry, the ward boy or girl always comes and visits you. He or she will timely deliver you or give you the medicines and all. The doctor will come into round and you will be under observation and inside hospital. That is when you are inpatient. But when you become outpatient, that is when you get the treatment from your home or when you are discharged from your hospital. At that time you go out of observation. You are not under observation by any medical member or any medical servant, that is like nurse or any compounder or any ward boy girl or doctor, anyone. So at that time there is difficulty, that there is chances that you will not be adhered to your medication schedule. That is, there are chances that you will forget any of your medication or your medication checkup routine or any such thing. So this makes the need of emerging this M health system. Okay, so you get improper care as you are not under watch of healthcare professionals, and these adherence is necessary to reduce some of the chronic disease, that is long term diseases such as AIDS, diabetes, tuberculosis, malaria and so on, means which are long term. What is the difference between acute and chronic? Acute is short term disease and chronic is long term. So if you are suffering from any chronic disease, then it becomes more necessary to be adhering be adhere to your medication schedule. That is, there is requirement of medication adherence for such patients suffering from chronic diseases. So in that case, why actually this M health has introduced? So in that case, a doctor can't go and visit him in home, or any nurse will not be there. It is not possible for each and every person to keep any personal nurse with them in their home for treatment of or for observation of the patient, because you have to pay the nurse every day for personal care and so on. So there is possibilities that there will be non-adherence of the medication schedule for this types of chronic disease like AIDS, malaria, etc. So for that case, generally the patients do not follow the medications, and when they are in hospital, at that time they are they are under observation. When it's when they go out, they are out of observation, and there the non adherence begins. Thus healthcare providers are now using variety of mobile technologies. That is, you don't have to get a personal nurse or any personal medical staff with you. You can simply use or simply install some app medical apps in your phone, by which your doctor can remain connected with you when you are in your home. Or like in hospital, the nurses comes and remind you about your medication or administer them, like that. In such apps, when you become outpatient, you through that app, your doctor or the nurse who is taking care of you through that device, actually nurse or pharmacist or anyone, they have the duty to just send alert message in advance. M health system, that is mobile health system, the app is totally designed according to the patient. That is, it is designed by the doctor or any good hospital or any such medical services under which the patient is been observed. So in that case, what will happen, that that type of app which is installed by the patient also, and which is designed or given by the particular hospital or healthcare center, what will happen, that within that app, according to the schedules of the patient, all the alerts are already set. Means like you set an alarm in your mobile phone, like that all the datas are already inserted into that app, for that particular patient, and that app will continuously automatically actually send the alert messages or alert notices about routine checkup or the schedule of the medications and so on. And more advanced systems can be provided. So these are the basic things I'm going to tell you about this in details. So by this, what will happen that uh, the consequences of non-adherence will be the non-adherence will be reduced. There will be no such cases of chronic death or any type of serious condition occurred due to non-adherence, like death and so on, due to these types of chronic disease like AIDS or any such things, tuberculosis, etc. To remind the people or patient to pick up or renew their prescription, doctor, pharmacist uses this mHealth platforms. As I already told you, that is, this mHealth app is generally designed, uh, obviously the softwares are designed by a software engineer only, but according to the need of a doctor, that is suggestion of a doctor or pharmacist or any healthcare staff, as they will suggest, the software will be designed according to that. So along with that, generally these types of mHealth system contains uh, uh, generally the messages which is sent by the doctor or the pharmacist. Either it is sent simply into the patient's email system. If the notifications come to the patient's email, it is also a part of mHealth because the mail comes to your mobile device, so it is also a part of mHealth. Otherwise, there are smartphones, that is, a patient is wearing a smartphone in which the messages or alert messages are coming, or even smartwatch. Okay, smartwatch, smartphones means like the Android phones, and you are getting messages. Smartwatch, a patient is wearing smartwatch and their messages are coming. Along with that, there can be a smart or digital pill boxes also. That is, the box is like robotic type of box, smart box, in which your medications are there. And what will happen that like alarm alerts comes to your rings in your mobile, like that the pill box will ring, the alarm will ring in your pill box according to the time of the medication. That is, when the medication time will come, the alarm will start ringing. So likewise, it will give reminder about that time has come for your medication. It will help to remind the patient that your time for medication is now coming. And as soon as you open the box and you take out the medicine, it will automatically recognize that, and the alarm will stop ringing. So like this, that type of smart or digital pill boxes are there, which will keep track of the medication, remind the patient to take the medication, and even record and send the data back to the respective health provider. Even it means what, like in a mobile you can get variety of models. The more expensive model you choose, the more facilities you get, like that. This mHealth system is also coming with various varieties, various models. More advanced you want, more costlier it will be, because obviously it is giving you so many facilities. So in that point of view, it will be little costlier. So if there are some that type of digital pill boxes are also there, which gives the record, which records it that the medications has been administered by you. See, you can cheat it. If you want to cheat, you can cheat it. Means, if it is upon you that you will just open the pill box, you will take the medication, but you will not take it. So it is up to you. If you are responsible for yourself that I don't want to take medication, no one can force you in such type of smart system. But it is just for the non-adherence, that is, if you are forgetting your medication, if you are due to proper sorry, due to improper care. Okay, improper time to time observation. If you are missing your medication, these types of M Health will help you to just follow your schedule. It is not responsible for uh, observing like uh, camera, CCTV camera, like you are taking and you are eating it. So it is up to you. If you don't want to follow, no one can force you, but it just helps that for non-adherence by any type of mistake or forgetfulness by a patient. Okay, so that like in hospital you are under observation, in home also you can be observed by your healthcare provider. So the report will be sent to the respective healthcare provider also. That is, any if pharmacist is taking records, keeping records of you as a patient, then the pharmacist will get the record, or the doctor. That is, a system will be there which is connected to your M Health system. That is, your digital pill box or your smart watch is connected with the doctor's pill box. Okay, and through that, sorry, doctor's system. Actually, doctor's system is connected with your M Health device, such as pill box or smart watch or smartphone. Whatever you do, whatever update is being filled by you, that is recorded within the system of the doctor's M Health system or M Health device also. So this is it, like which they can control from their center to your home and can make you alert about all the medications. So this is a simple flow chart where you can see the uses of M Health. Like it is simply showing a smart phone by which there can be phone detectories. That is, there will be records of any phone calls. You can just simply make calls. On call schedule, you can make schedules also from your phone. That is also part of M Health. You can take doctor's appointment through various M Health apps. Then labs, you can get the record or report. Obviously you can't check your blood with your smartphone, but you can get your report, mail reports of your lab records. That is, any blood test, any type of sample test. The nurse call system, a nurse can contact with you. They can remind you about the medication. Any emergency if comes, you can contact the nurse, particular nurse. Then EHR can be done. Records can be, you can see by this M Health platform. Operation call centers, you can call any healthcare call centers and can get suggestions about some serious diseases or any type of normal healthcare suggestions you can take. Critical system, in case of emergency, these apps, there are various calls for call system in the apps, in which in emergency you can just have a call. Clinical alarm, where you will get alerts about your medications or your checkup and all that things. Then in-house wireless phones, that is, you can just contact with doctors. And this is overall all the M Health facilities which already I discussed just now. So this is a secure communication system where generally patient will be connected with the staff, particular staff who is responsible for observing that patient. That is, generally a doctor does not have such time that he can keep eye on each and every patient. So under doctor there are various medical staffs, normally junior nurses or any pharmacist or compounders and so on, assistant of doctors and so on. So that those persons generally, they take care of the datas of few of the patients. That is, each and every patients are divided within these staffs. Like for example, there are 10 workers or 10 staffs working under particular doctor A, and that doctor A has 10 numbers of, for example, staff, and each and every staff takes care of 50 of the patients of that doctor A, the patient who is under observation of doctor A. Okay, so each and every staff is controlling 50 of the patients. So that particular staff is responsible for those 50 patients. Like that, the M Health system works. There are various way each and every system can be manipulated or can be designed according to the convenience. But the simple thing is, by M Health, in home you can get the facilities like you are in a hospital. You can get the care like you are in a hospital. The doctor can keep eye on you through this M Health device. So now talking about the applications. So various applications are, first of all, education and awareness program. Talking about education and awareness program, the M Health, you have, maybe you have seen that in your mobile various updates about vaccinations or any COVID or any such notification generally comes. So what is this? It shows that through M Health, you can get various SMSs or alert mails about various disease conditions and so on. So that various advanced treatment system, any alert about disease conditions and so on, you can get in your smartphones, mails and so on. Now, second is helpline. Through M Health system, you can contact to the health care call centers, any ambulance system. So that is also a part of M Health. Next comes the diagnosis and treatment support training for health care workers. Like in rural areas, generally the specialist doctors don't go and visit to the rural areas. They are generally junior nurses, ANM, GNMs, they generally goes, or the pharmacist goes. Now in that case, if any of the medical staff who are visiting or who are responsible for the rural area, if they want, rural or remote area, if they want to uh, treat some critical condition, they can just take help of any specialist who can guide them through mobile devices, various mobile devices, that is can be a smartphone also, or through satellite Wi-Fi connection, laptops or any type of such mobile devices can be used by the medical staffs. And thus in remote area also they can take suggestion from the seniors or from any specialist for diagnosis or treatment of some diseases. Obviously in very serious condition they have to be shifted to any big hospital or any specialist only can treat. But most of the cases can be controlled by this M Health devices. Now, disease and outbreak of epidemic tracking and report data collection. Generally, what happens? You know, in every particular area, there are some of the medical staffs who takes care of that particular area related to any disease, and they report each and every day's record or cases to their center office. And from that center office, that is the center office of that particular district or that particular location, will then forward it to the state's health center office. Then that center sorry, the state health center will send that data to the main head, that is the central, all over India is the central health office. Like that the data are collected from each and every area to the center. Now in this process, during this process, there are chances that you can simply get the report of any disease outbreak. Like if you are getting, if the center is getting, central healthcare system is getting, so healthcare management is getting report of uh, continuous malaria cases from any remote areas, like from, for example, any village in Rajasthan, daily few of the cases are coming of malaria. So that can be assumed that that particular village in Rajasthan is getting affected by malaria, and soon the treatment can be reached to them. Through this M Health system only, faster records can be collected. Now, next is remote monitoring. Remote monitoring, that is general thing which I told you all till now. That is the basic thing. From home, you can get, or you can be observed by your physician. You can follow up your medicine properly. That is medication adherence can be done by this mHealth system, in which the physician or the assistant of the physician or nurse will take care of you when you are in your home for some chronic diseases. So likewise, this mHealth system actually helps. This is just that much only. It is not a very big or very vast topic. So with this, I'm ending the video, and next I will talk about automated dispensing of drug. And yes, whatever thing I told you all, I discussed just now. If you want to get the notes of all these topics, I am sharing the link of the blog in the description box. You can go and check there, from where you can get the note of this video which I discussed just now. One more thing, if you want to know the Hindi explanation video of this video, then for that also I will add the link in the description box. You can go and see the Hindi explanation also. So that's all for today. For more videos, go and check my channel. Hope that you have found my video useful. If yes, then don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.